Have you ever felt like your workspace just isn't big enough? I've tested 5 of the most popular space-saving tables and desks, from foldable dining tables to electric standing desks, so you don't waste your money guessing. I set them up, used them for a week, and I'm breaking down exactly how they perform in real life, what's worth it and what is. Product number 1, OffiGo U-shaped electric standing desk with drawers. The first thing I noticed when I pulled this OffiGo desk out of the box was how solid it felt. That U-shaped design instantly gives you more workspace. You can spread out papers, your laptop, and still have room for 2 monitors on the ergonomic stand. The drawers and keyboard tray are surprisingly smooth, so everything feels tidy without cluttering the desk. The height adjustment is quiet and quick. I loved setting it at my standing height while working on spreadsheets, and then lowering it to sit for writing notes. The built-in outlets and USB ports save me from reaching under the desk for plugs, and cable management is actually neat. If you want a high-tech home office setup that's sturdy and spacious, this one's great. It's perfect for anyone who needs serious workspace without taking up the entire room. Moving on, I tried something a bit bigger for executive-style setups. Product number 2, OffiGo 71-inch Executive Electric Standing Desk. Holding this desk felt different immediately. The 1.38-inch thick boards make it feel extra premium. It's huge, giving me plenty of room for my dual monitor setup, laptop, and even a few coffee mugs without feeling cramped. I liked how the desk has cable management holes, keeping my cords from tangling all over the place. I set one for sitting, one for standing, and I could switch in seconds. The dual-beam steel frame makes it super stable. I never worried about wobbling while typing or leaning on it. Assembly took a bit longer than the smaller desk, but the instructions were clear. If you're looking for maximum space and a professional feel, this is your desk. Now for something slightly simpler but still sleek and functional. Product number 3, Aliexpress N2 Whole-Piece Standing Desk. When I got the Aliexpress N2, the first thing I noticed was the clean white one-piece desktop. It just looks neat and feels roomy. The removable clamp power strip is a small but brilliant feature. I could move it to wherever I wanted, keeping everything charged and organized. The motorized adjustment is very quiet, which I appreciated when working from home during calls. The 4 memory buttons are convenient, and the whole setup felt sturdy, even with 2 monitors, a laptop, and extra accessories on top. Cable management works well, so my desk stayed clean. This desk is ideal if you want something eco-friendly and practical. It's great for a minimalist setup without sacrificing functionality. Speaking of versatile setups, I also tested foldable tables for people short on space. Product number 4, Extendable Drop Leaf Folding Dining Table Wood Color. This table felt surprisingly solid when I unfolded it. The plywood surface is thicker than I expected, and the drop leaf mechanism is smooth. I really like that it can go from a small console-style table to a full 6-8 person dining setup. The 2 drawers are useful for snacks, books, or stationery, and the bottom shelf can store folding chairs, which I found super practical. The wheels make it easy to move around, and locking them keeps it stable. It's also waterproof to some extent. I spilled coffee, wiped it off, no problem. If you live in a small apartment or want a flexible dining and workspace, this one's a solid pick. For a slightly warmer color option, there's another model that caught my eye. Product number 5, Extendable Drop Leaf Foldable Dining Table Walnut. Holding the walnut version, I immediately noticed the richer color. It feels more traditional and blends nicely with wooden furniture. Functionality is almost identical to the wood color model. The foldable design, drawers, and wheels work just as well. I really liked half opening it for solo work or coffee. It didn't feel awkward or wobbly. And like the other one, the surface is waterproof enough for everyday spills. This table is perfect if you want something that's both practical and stylish. It's especially great if you want a warm wood tone to match your living room or kitchen. That's my hands-on look at the 5 best space-saving tables and desks I've tried. If you want more details or current prices, check the links in the description. I'll make sure you can grab the one that fits your space and style perfectly.